Jamaica for the experience that you had. And what an experience it was, everybody. Yeah, man?
Yeah, man.
All right. Now, here in Jamaica, we have a Jamaican saying that goes like this: walk good. In other words, you take good care of your dear selves. All right? Yeah, man?
Yeah, man.
All right. So, Jen's going to say something to make you smile. She wants you to come home with her. All right, everybody, walk good and take good care of yourself. All right, yeah, man?
Yeah, man.
Alright, no problem, ladies and gents. Alright, so before you get off the bus, ensure that you look around your seats, don't leave anything on the bus. Alright, frequent that passengers losing bus, your cell phone, your wallets, and your boarding pass, your ship card. So ensure that you look around your seats, don't leave anything on the bus, alright? No problem. And ladies and gents, as you all know, in the service industry and it's customer for tipping, so feel free to show your appreciation to your driver and your tour guide. We'll highly appreciate it, alright? It's no problem, man. And I can see the Shorex looking out for you all. Yeah, man, the shore excursion looking out for you all, yeah.
Wondering where you
We're
were.
wondering where the bus is at, alright? Yeah, man, but I'm sure there are other buses out there.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, man. And you all said that we have to get back what time?
4:30.
Oh, Lord, you don't even know. Alright, we're not the last, but there's another bus coming, alright? So we're good to go. And I'm not hearing the captain tooting any horns there, alright? Alright.
Ito na yung ito na yung pabalik na sa barko. Maganda naman yung takbo ng andito. So maaga pa kami nakalalis hanggang ngayon. Dito na. Dito tayo. Dami ng mga tinda nila dito. Ito mga music. Royal Star. So ito yung Jamaica, Falmouth, Jamaica. So maganda ang weather dito. Doon sa Chorrillos ang maulan doon. Ito na yun. Okay. Oras dito. Dami lang mga bali dito. Mga yung Jamaica, Falmouth, Jamaica. Dito tayo sa pinakataas na station, pinakasandig. So, ito itong makikita natin dito. Ito yung pinakamalayo. Yan. Na ikot natin din ito kanina, nagkalabas tayo. So ito yung Falmouth. Ito yung kabilang view, kung facing to the front, ito ang right side ng Falmouth. Ayan. So marami din silang magagandang beaches, kaso tinamaan sila ng Hurricane Melissa last October, so they're still recovering. Kaya panligid sila ng Hurricane Melissa. So at least nakatulong din malaki yung tourism dito, at nakakontribute tayo sa kanilang kahirapan. Pero maganda to, maganda ang kanilang country. So pwede rin ma-recommend natin na magbisita dito sa Falmouth or Jamaica. Ang Jamaica kasi isang kuan lang siya, isang island lang siya, saka maikot mo. Malaki siyang island kaysa Aruba, pero maganda din siya, marami siyang makikitang, may mga rainforest pa sila dito. So ito yung Falmouth, Jamaica. Pero yung Jamaica kasi isang island lang, kaya kahit saan ka maka-dock, it's either Ocho Rios or dito sa Falmouth, maganda din. Kaso mag-drive ka kung gusto mo punta ng Ocho Rios, mga 2 hours driving kasi matraffic din, kaya depende sa isang lugar. Maganda din tong Falmouth, hindi siya masyadong congested kasi kunti pang mga tao dito. Yan. Ito yung Jamaica. So ito yung Falmouth, Jamaica. So ito yung makikita natin dito kung dock tayo sa pinakamataas na area ng barko. So ito yung pinakamalapit na area na makikita natin dito. Ito yung Falmouth, Jamaica. Capital kasi ng Jamaica is Kingston. So malayo-layo ito sa Kingston, mga 2 hours away. Tsaka malayo din ito sa Ocho Rios, mga 2 hours away. Ito yung bansa or country ni Bob Marley. So di tayo nakapunta sa kang Bob Marley, pero nakita natin yung hometown niya doon sa Runaway. So ito ang pinaka nagpasikat din si Bob Marley dito. Ayan, so ito yung makikita natin dito, Falmouth, Jamaica. So anytime alis na rin tong barko na to. Ayan. So ito yung makikita natin dito sa loob. Kaso makikita nyo yan, devastated kasi sila, natamaan sila ng Hurricane Melissa last October, so they're still recovering. At least malaking tulong yung tourism dito. So nakatulong yung mga turismo, mga turista dito, nakatulong sa economy nila. At least may mga tumutulong din sa kanila. Ayan. Dito tayo ngayon sa Falmouth, Jamaica. Ito yung flag nila, black, gold, and green. Ito yung palengke nila. Ito yung flea market. So makita nyo magdami mga souvenirs dito ang binibenta nila. Tinamaan ito ng still states ang recovery. So malaking tulong yung turismo dito. At least ang tourism continuous, hindi umihinto yung turismo dito. Ayan. So kita natin yung iba kayong mga tip. Pero at least naka-recover. Other states also recovering. So malaki din yung tulong ng tourism. Ayan. Ito yung city ng Falmouth. Isang island lang ang Jamaica, so madali mo lang mapuntahan kasi isang island lang. Tsaka maikot mo kung gustuhin mong maikutin yung Falmouth. Yung capital is Kingston. Pinakasikat at pinakabisi yung Ocho Rios kasi nandun yung mga falls at saka rainforest nila. Maganda din yung Dan Falls at saka Punuco Falls dito, doon sa Ocho Rios. May pier din doon, may port din doon sa Ocho Rios, kaya hindi ka magdak doon ng mga cruise line. Kanina may Virgin cruise line doon na nakadak, kaya maraming mga turista doon, tsaka may mga shopping center doon sa Chorrillos. Malaking tulong yung turismo dito sa kanilang recovery kasi last October lang yung tinamaan ng Hurricane Melissa ang Jamaica, kaya nagpasalamat din sila sa malaking tulong ng mga turismo dito. Ito yung flag nila sa Jamaica. Yan yung flag sa Jamaica. Black, green, and blue. Ayan. Saka ito yung mga tao dito. Friendly naman yung mga taga Jamaica. Mga Jamaicans, mga friendly naman sila. Kaya maraming mga turismo ang nakakuha dito. Dumadayo dito.
Yes, patrons of the Asian Stars, if you can hear my voice working out on your balcony or your front deck, we want to give to you our bye-bye party. As well as where the entertainment includes the last dance that you want to dance before you say no. But I want to get us better than that. If you truly had a wonderful time in Jamaica, let me hear you make some noise. I heard my friend, she's screaming at the top of her. Thank you very much. So the DJ's gonna play some music and the entertainment team are gonna do that final dance. Feel free to clap, you can dance along with us as well. DJ!
Farewell party sila.
We're going to introduce the dancers one by one. We're going to start off with the jet. We're going to start off with the man. Yes, great, check. And all together, we were your entertainment team for the day. Feel free to make some noise. Yes, great friends. So I know you soon say love. We want to leave you off with a song from the man Harry Belafonte. You came to Jamaica on a cruise ship, and now it's time to say goodbye. Not goodbye forever, but goodbye until we meet again. Give us a slow wave right now.
Down the road where the nights are gay and the sun shines down on the mountain top. I took a trip on a sailing ship, and when I reached Jamaica, I made a stop. But I'm sad to say I'm on my way. Won't be back for many a day. My heart is down, my head is turning around. I had to leave a little girl in Kingston town.
Yes, we continue. We just want to say thank you guys again. We truly could have been anywhere in the world, but you decided to come to this sweet island, Jamaica. So just give us that slow wave. Come on.
Sounds of laughter everywhere and the dancing girls swing to and fro. I must declare my heart is there. I've been from there to Mexico, but I'm sad to say I'm on my way. Won't be back for many a day. My heart is down, my head is turning around. I had to leave a little girl in Falmouth town.
So from the late but will ever be great Bob Marley, we also want to leave you with this one. One love. If you have your Jamaican color, your Jamaican flag, wave it high right now. Hey, if you know the lyrics as well, sing along with me. Come on.
One love, one heart, let's get together and feel alright. One love, one heart, give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Let's get together and feel alright. Oh, let them all pass all there. Dirty remarks, my love. There is one question I really love to ask. Is there a place for the hopeless sinners who has hurt all mankind? Just a faint Lord, believe me. One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. You should sing with me. One love, one heart. Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. We say, let's get together and feel alright. Come back to Jamaica and drink Red Stripe.
Thank you, I've been practicing. Yeah, my great friends, we want to say thank you guys again. But before you go, we just like to ask a request. So for the hard-working staff of Norwegian Star, they took care of you on your way to Jamaica, and I know they're gonna take care of you on your way out. So when I say make some noise for the hard-working staff, I would like for you to just show them some love and show them that appreciation. So let's try that. Great friends of Norwegian Star, make some noise for the hard-working staff. Yeah, man, I love that energy. I want to make it nice and loud. Make it nice and even louder for your captain that brought you here safely and is going to carry you out onto your next destination. Make some noise for your captain! Yeah, man. Yes, great friends. So I just want to say thank you guys again. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you decided to come to this sweet island, Jamaica. So as we say here in Jamaica, live good, love good, and walk good. But in your situation, same good.
So long, farewell to you, my friends. Goodbye for now, until we meet again. I say so long,
again. It's been great to play time together at the porch. Now it's time to say goodbye. So long, farewell to you, my friends. Goodbye for now, until we meet again. Goodbye for now, until we meet again.
You're watching.
Alright. Ito yung nila. Vlog nila. Yan. Jamaica. Palmouth, Jamaica. Tapos na yung palabas nila. Ito yung pinaka view ng Palmouth, Jamaica. So nakikita natin kanina yung palabas nila. Maganda yung palabas nila. Salamat na nagbisita yung ibang bansa dito in terms of tourism. So ito na yung pinaka best view dito na banda. Sa kabila maganda din doon. At isa kuha na natin ang video dito. Yan. So napakaganda. Maganda pagkakuha dito. Tsaka yung mga staff nila dito. Salamat naman. Tsaka ito yung flag nila dito. Black, gold and green Jamaica flag. Yan. Okay. Anytime soon aalis na yung barko. Yan. Yan. Maganda pagkakuha natin. Yan. So, paalis na tayo. So, ito yung city ng Palmouth. Paalis na yung barko. Layo na tayo. Saka ito yung lugar nila dito. So, paalis na tayo. Paalis na yung barko. So ito yung Palmouth. One more time. Napidyohan natin. Yan. Dalas na pala yung flag nila dito. Ito yung pinaka-port nila, Palmouth. So, palayo na tayo. So, ito yung naka-pan dito. Punta na tayo sa kabila. Alis na tayo. Ito yung port nila dito sa kabila. Yan. Kuha na natin. palayo na tayo. So, dito yung makikita natin. Ito yung syudad ng Falmouth, Jamaica, country ng Jamaica. So, palayo na yung barko. Yan. Alis na tayo. Yan. Ito yung beach line nila, napaka-lapit beach line. Kapitan nila kung gusto. Ayan. Alright. So, yan na. Bukas iba na naman syudad natin. O ibang country na naman tayo. Cayman Island.